How to see how much Robux is spending in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see how much Robux are pending on your Roblox. So for that, just open the website called www.roblox.com, and here on the home screen you will see this icon right beside your settings. So just click on it. Now you can see these three options called Buy Robux, My Transaction and Redeem Roblox Code. In order to see your pending Robux in Roblox, you have to click on My Transactions. So just click on it. And after that, as you can see that my account is brand new, so that is why I don't have any option called pending Roblox in my transaction history as of now. So if you're using Roblox for a while now, you will see the option called pending Robux in your Roblox My Transaction section. So all you have to do is just check the pending transaction and you can further proceed with the completing them. So that is how you can see your pending Robux in your Roblox account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.